Well, good afternoon. This is Mayor Nathan Blackwell with the City of St. Cloud. And today I've been asked to share a few updates regarding our great city and our employees who are hard at work keeping our community healthy and strong. This past week, we launched our Heroes Work Here campaign. We started by honoring the healthcare professionals, the doctors and nurses and those who work at St. Cloud Regional Medical Center, as well as the St. Cloud Police Department, our fire and rescue and EMS first responders who faithfully serve our city. We lit up our city hall and the lakefront in blue and red lights in honor and appreciation of all of our first responders. And we encourage our citizens to shine a light in their homes for them as well. Share a little love. We continued our efforts by displaying signs on our city buildings and facilities that say, "Heroes work here," because our city employees are truly amazing, and we want to show our community how much we truly appreciate them. Our employees are committed and dedicated public servants who are on the front lines of the COVID-19 crisis literally every day, risking their health and serving our community with great pride. If you see one of our city employees, please stop and say thanks, of course, 6 feet apart, and wave hello or honk your horn. You know, this simple expression of gratitude will help bring some joy to their day and help them to remember that they're not taken for granted. Remember, they're away from their families and cannot stay home because they're serving you and our community. I'd also like to give a special thanks to the Walt Disney World Company who delivered snacks to our police department. Their donation was so generous, we were able to share with all of our employees as well as the local food pantry. All of our employees are incredibly grateful for this act of kindness. Thank you, Disney. During this crisis, many departments in the city of St. Cloud continue to provide critical services, and they've had to adapt to ensure that the city provides basic services for our residents during this time of heightened health concerns. Knowing the importance of a clean, healthy home and workplace, solid waste workers continue to serve you by providing full-service pickup and transfer station capabilities to all of our residents and customers. Stormwater and street workers have adapted to working in small teams to continue performing maintenance to our critical stormwater systems as well as our streets. City street sweepers have been monitoring our streets and public spaces for the unfortunate discarding of potentially contaminated trash, such as used rubber gloves and masks, to ensure that those items do not make it into our water system. We asked our residents and visitors alike, please do your part and do not litter. Please take pride in keeping our city beautiful and clean. We thank you for that. The Fleet Maintenance Welding Shop is fabricating a drop box at the direction of our city manager for customers to safely drop off permits and plans while at the same time minimizing social contact, plus providing safety to our customers and our staff. Construction inspectors, they've been working diligently with contractors and their schedules to ensure that they can continue their infrastructure projects, allowing for progress to continue, which allows large and small contractors to stay in business. And then our city engineers. They have increased their routine inspections of community ponds, drainage systems, and construction sites to ensure that potential areas of concern are identified and promptly addressed. This is especially important during a time when local community HOAs and contractors may not be able to do this work themselves. Our building department remains open by appointment, and they are receiving online submittals or hard copy submittals via email. Our environmental utilities department continues to provide their essential services By operating the city's water and waste water treatment facilities, even with limited staff, the Environmental Utilities Department continues to work on cleaning out the sediment and discoloration in some of our water lines as they continue the ice pigging and line swabbing process. The Environmental Utilities Customer Service Department also continues to receive and respond to customer requests related to a variety of service issues. And once again, I just want to thank the St. Cloud Police Department, our fire department, our EMS and first responders, as well as our 911 call center workers. Thank you, thank you, thank you for your faithful service and for staying on the front line. The City of St. Cloud Citizens and Employee Hotline is still active, and to reach the hotline, please call 407-957-7161. The hotline is open 7 days a week from 8 a.m. until 5 p.m. and will remain open until further notice. Citizens and employees can also visit the City of St. Cloud's website if you need more information. You know, we want to remind our residents that the next virtual council meeting will be held on Thursday, April the 23rd at 6:30 p.m. Please visit our city website at www.stcloud.org or follow our social media pages for information on how to live stream as well as submit your comments to us. We are happy to announce also that today the City of St. Cloud presented the St. Cloud Community Food Pantry with a $15,000 donation. The donation was presented on behalf of the City Council's Community Grant Fund to help the food pantry's pandemic response efforts, which have been amazing. The City of St. Cloud is committed to helping our community during these unprecedented times. It is our duty, it is our privilege to pay it forward and to help those who need it most. In conclusion, I want to thank our residents for using common sense, doing your part by staying home, adhering to the county curfew, wearing a face covering in public places where social distancing is not possible, and for demonstrating, most of all, a good attitude. Your efforts and your support are making a difference in controlling the spread of the COVID-19 virus. So I want to say to you, please stay safe, stay healthy. Always remember the City of St. Cloud is here for you, and we will get through this because we're going to get through it together. We are St. Cloud strong. Thank you so much for listening. You're in our prayers. At this time, we'd like to share with you the Spanish translation of this announcement.